morning to all of you. My name is Priyanshu from ninth class. Today I make this project. The project name is magnetic house for earthquake. This this project can save the life in the future. Like in this house, there are 8 magnets are used. The magnets make the magnetic field because they are repel each other and save the life in the future. Thank you.